Jai Shri Gurudev. Welcome to chemistry online classes. So today we start a new unit, that is unit 13, amines. In this unit, so 5 marks question will be asked in the annual examination. That is, so 2 plus 2 plus 1, totally 5 marks. 2 marks 2 question and 1 marks question will be asked. 5 marks question. Okay. So introduction to amines. Amines are the derivatives of ammonia. Amines are the derivatives of ammonia in which one or more hydrogen atoms of ammonia are replaced by alkyl or aryl groups. Okay. Amines are the derivatives of ammonia in which one or more hydrogen atoms of ammonia are replaced by alkyl or aryl groups. These are called as amines. Therefore, amines are represented by the general formula RNH2 or NH2, where R may be an alkyl group or aryl group. Where R may be an alkyl group or aryl group. Okay. The function group for amines is NH2. Function group for amines is NH2. Okay. Example for amines is, example for amines. If we give R CH3, NH2, that is methylamine. Methyl CH3 is methyl, NH2 is amine. So methylamine. If you give R aryl group, that is C6H5 NH2. C6H5 NH2. This is benzenamine. This is benzenamine. Our popular name for benzenamine is aniline. This is aniline. Okay, aniline or benzenamine. So if you give R ethyl group, that is CH3 CH2 NH2, this is ethylamine. This is ethylamine. So these are some of the examples for amines. Okay. So next is structure of amines. Structure of amines. Structure of amines. Like ammonia. So you have already learned ammonia, the structure of ammonia. Ammonia is a pyramidal structure. Ammonia molecule is having a pyramidal structure and it undergoes sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. Pyramidal structure and so sp3 hybridization. Like ammonia, amines is trivalent. Amines is trivalent and undergo sp3 hybridization containing one unshared pair of electrons on nitrogen atom. Therefore, amines undergo sp3 hybridization, forming 4 identical sp3 hybrid orbitals. Out of 4 identical sp3 hybrid orbitals, so 3 sp3 hybrid orbitals forms bond pairs and another one unhybridized sp3 hybrid orbitals forms an unshared pair of electrons. So therefore, if you write the structure of trimethylamine, so therefore nitrogen orbital so contains sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybrid orbitals forming 4 identical sp3 hybrid orbitals. So this is having, so that is trigonal pyramidal geometry. This is having a pyramidal geometry. So this is methyl group and this one is methyl group and this one is methyl. This is the structure of trimethylamine. So therefore, so due to unshared pair of electrons, because nitrogen atom contains unshared pair of electrons. So therefore, the bond angle is found to be 108 degree. So when compared to normal tetrahedral angle, so normal tetrahedral angle is found to be 109.5 degree. So therefore, the bond angle are compressed to how much? That is 108 degree. That is 107.5 degree. So that is according to VSEPR theory, which I learnt in chemical bonding. So one about ammonia. So likewise, so amines contains unshaped pair of electron on nitrogen atom. Therefore, the geometrical shape of this molecule is pyramidal sp3 hybridization, and therefore the bond angle is found to be less than normal tetrahedral angle, that is 109.5 degree. That is bond angle is found to be 108. So this is about the structure of amines. That is carbon nitrogen. That is carbon nitrogen. That is E, where E may be carbon or may be hydrogen. Carbon or may be hydrogen. Carbon nitrogen hydrogen or carbon nitrogen carbon. This bond angle is found to be 108 degree. 108 degree. So that is about the structure of amines. Structure of amines. So next is classification of amines. Classification of amines. Amines are broadly classified into three types. Amines are broadly classified into three types. So based on the number of replaceable hydrogen atoms, based on the number of replaceable hydrogen atoms of ammonia by alkyl or aryl groups. They are, first one is primary amines. Primary, that is 1 degree amines. Second one is secondary, that is 2 degree amine. Third one is tertiary amines. Tertiary 3 degree amines. So these are the three important classification of amines. So first one you take, that is primary amines. Primary amines. If one hydrogen atoms of ammonia are replaced by alkyl or aryl groups, then that amine is said to be primary amine. If one hydrogen atom of ammonia is replaced by alkyl or aryl groups, then that amine is said to be primary amine. Therefore, the general formula for primary amine, I will going to write general formula as JF. General formula for primary amine is RNH2, RNH2, and the function group for primary amine is, functional group for primary amine is single bond NH2. Single bond NH2. Example for primary amine is, if you give R CH3 NH2 methyl amine, says methyl amine. If you give R, that is aryl group, that is ArNH2. If you give R, that is C6H5NH2, this is aniline or benzene amine. Aniline or benzene amine is primary aromatic amine. So this is primary alkyl amine, methyl amine. Okay. Next, secondary amines. Secondary amines. If two hydrogen atoms of ammonia, are replaced by alkyl or aryl group, then that amine is said to be secondary amine. If two hydrogen atoms of ammonia are replaced by alkyl or aryl group, then that amine is called secondary amine. Therefore, the general formula for secondary amine is RNH R dash. RNH R dash. Where R and R dash may be same or may be different. where R and R dash may be same or may be different, where R is may be alkyl, R may be aryl group, where R may be alkyl or aryl group, and R dash may be same or may be different. So the function group for secondary amine is NH single bond, NH single bond. Okay. The examples for secondary amine, if you give R CH3 NH single bond CH3, dimethylamine where R and R dash may be same. If you give different, that is CH3 NH single bond C2H5. This is ethyl. This one is methylamine. Methylamine. E letter is written first, followed by M. Methylamine. This is secondary amine. Third one, tertiary amine. If all the hydrogen atoms, that is 3 hydrogen atoms of ammonia are replaced by alkyl or aryl groups, then that amine is called tertiary amine. If all the hydrogen atoms of ammonia are replaced by alkyl or aryl group, then that amine is called tertiary amine. Tertiary amine. The examples for, the general formula for tertiary amine is R single bond N single bond R dash connected to single bond R double dash, where R may be same, R dash and R double dash may be same or may be different. Okay. The functional group for amine, tertiary amine is single bond N, single bond connected to single bond. This is the function group for tertiary amine. The example for tertiary amine, if you give R CH3 N CH3 CH3, this is 3 methyl groups are there, that is prefix is trimethylamine. Trimethylamine are the examples for tertiary amines. Tertiary amines. So this is about the classification of amines. If they asked in the if they will ask in the examination, like explain the classification of amines, you should have to explain all these things. That is primary, secondary, tertiary. Okay. So next is common and IUPAC. So names of amines. That is nomenclature of amines. Next heading is nomenclature of amines. There are two types of naming of amines, nomenclature of amines. So first one is trivial names, and the second one is IUPAC names. There are two types of naming of amines. So first one is trivial system or trivial names or common names. Second one is IUPAC system or IUPAC names. Okay. In trivial system or common names. In trivial system, so the common names of amines are named as alkyl amines. The common names are in trivial system. The amines are named as alkyl amines. Amines are named as alkyl amines or aryl amines. Alkyl amines are aryl amines. Okay. So this is applicable only for primary amines. This is applicable only for primary amines. Primary amines. If secondary and tertiary amines are present, if secondary and tertiary amines are present, then prefixes like di, tri, etc. are written first before the alkyl groups. Are written first before the alkyl groups. Once again, I am going to tell, if secondary and tertiary amines are present, then prefixes like di, tri, etc. are written first before alkyl group, followed by amine, followed by. This is trivial system. In IUPAC system, these are the derivatives of alkanes. These are the derivatives of alkanes. In which E of the alkane is replaced by amine. Then in IUPAC name, it is named as alkanamine. E of the alkane is replaced by amine. Therefore, in IUPAC system, these are named as alkanamines. So, some important common and IUPAC names of alkyl and aryl amines are listed in the table given below in your NCERT textbook. Okay, I have written some of the examples of IUPAC names and common names of alkyl and aryl amines in the board. Okay, take first one. That is structure of amines, common names, IUPAC names. So first one is CH3NH2. The common name is, in common system, alkyl amines. Alkyl group is methylamine. In IUPAC system, these are the derivatives of alkanes, in which E of the alkane is replaced by amine. So one carbon atom, meth, type of linkages, AN, are derivative methane. So E is replaced by amine. Therefore, it is named as methanamine. Second one, CH2NH2. So common name is ethylamine, C2H5. IUPAC system, ethyl, derivatives of ethane, in which E of the ethane is removed by amine. Therefore, it is named as ethanamine. Third one, CH2NH2. So three carbon atoms, propyl, C3S7, propyl, N-propylamine. Common name is N-propylamine. IUPAC name is, these are the derivatives of propane. Therefore, propan, one amine, or propanamine. Next, CH3, so single bond, NH2 connected to single bond, NH3. So one attached substance are there. Therefore, isopropylamine. Common name. IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atoms, root word is pro, single bond AN, second position amino group are there. Therefore, 2 amine, propan 2 amine. So this is important. It can be asked in the examination. Next is, so CH3, dimethylamine, secondary amines. This is an example for secondary amines, which I already told in the introduction class only. Dimethylamine. IUPAC name, while writing IUPAC name, because the methyl group is attached to the nitrogen, is bonded to the nitrogen atom, therefore it is named as N-methyl. So number of carbon atoms is only one, therefore methanamine. N-methyl methanamine is the IUPAC name for dimethylamine. Next is CH3, This is ethyl, this is methyl. Therefore, common name is ethyl methylamine. This is the mixed amines. That is ethyl methylamine. Common name. In IUPAC system, this methyl group is bonded to nitrogen atom. Longest carbon chain is taken into the account for IUPAC naming. Therefore, N-methyl, 2 carbon atoms, E, type of linkage single bond AN. So NH is the amino group. Therefore, N-methyl ethanamine is the IUPAC name for ethyl methylamine. Next, third one, CH3 single bond N connected to CH3 connected to single bond CH3. So this common name is trimethyl, because CH3 groups all are same. 3 methyl groups are same. Therefore, trimethyl, prefix trimethylamine. Its IUPAC name is 2 methyl group does not belongs to the longest carbon chain, but they are bonded to nitrogen. Therefore, N, dimethyl. Single carbon atom is there taken into the account. Therefore, methanamine. N, dimethyl methanamine. So this has been already asked in the annual examination like this. They will ask like this: CH3 thrice N. Write the IUPAC name of CH3 thrice N, or they can also ask like this: write the IUPAC name of trimethylamine. You should have to write this structure first, and then name that compound, that is N, N, dimethyl methanamine is the IUPAC name for trimethylamine. Okay, so this is about alkyl amines. Next is aromatic amines. That is benzene ring connected to NH2. Benzene ring connected to NH2. Its common name, popular common name is aniline. Common name is aniline. So IUPAC name is benzenamine, or you can also call same word, that is aniline. Aniline or benzenamine. Second one, benzene ring connected to NH2 connected to CH3. So common name is orthotoluidine. Ortho position methyl is there, therefore orthotoluidine. Its IUPAC name is 2-aminotoluene. 2-aminotoluene. So last one is benzene ring connected to NH2 connected to para position Br. Therefore parabromoaniline. Parabromoaniline. Its IUPAC name is 4-bromoaniline. IUPAC name is 4-bromoaniline. So this is about common and IUPAC names of alkyl and aryl amines. Okay, thank you.